This demonstration will show you how to access Drive and go over a few basics about Google Drive. When you have opened up a tab in Chrome, there are a couple of different ways you can access Drive. One is to click on the waffle next to your Google account icon. Click on the waffle and choose Drive. If you don't see Drive in the pictures that show up immediately, scroll down to locate it. You can also click and drag these icons around to put them in the order that you would prefer. Alternatively, you can simply type in drive.google.com, which will also pull it up. A third way would be to go through the portal. Type in portal.mesquiteisd.org. Once again, that's portal.mesquiteisd.org. You would be prompted to sign in to the portal and then click on the Google Drive icon. My personal preference is to go to drive.google.com or to use the waffle. This will open up your Drive page. Let's go over a few basics about the Drive page. First of all, your Google Drive icon shows at the top left. In the middle, you have a search bar. This allows you to search for specific documents, images, videos, anything that is housed in Drive. You can do a simple search by title. If you don't remember the title, you have an advanced search. Click on the arrow, and you can choose any type of file. You can choose the owner, either yourself or a specific person who owns that video. You can look for it anywhere, including in your trash, and click Search. This will pull up all of that particular item type by that particular owner. Along the left, you will see the New button. Click on the New button to add a new folder for organizing your files, to upload a single file, or to upload an entire folder containing files. This is also where you would create a new Google Doc, which is like Word, a new Google Sheet, which is like Excel, a new Google Slides, which is like PowerPoint. Then mouse over more, and you can also see Google Forms, Google Drawings, My Maps, Sites, and other apps that you have available. Forms are a survey or can be used for an online quiz. Google Drawings allow you to put together images and text on top of one another. And Google Sites allows you to create a website. Below the New, you will see Priority, which we will cover in a different video. My Drive, which houses all of the files and folders that belong to you. Next are shared drives. In these shared drives, these are drives that you have been invited to participate in. Shared drives are best used for things like team planning, or if you are doing anything for the campus may have a shared drive. That way, when individual teachers or administrators leave or move to another campus, all of that same information that is for that campus stays within that shared drive. Then you have it shared with me. This is where items that have been shared with you by others are housed. You can always add these to your drive, which we will cover in another video. Recent are files that you have recently accessed. Starred are any files or folders that you have placed a star next to. And trash is where you will see anything that you have deleted. Anything you delete from Drive stays in the trash folder and is not permanently deleted until you click Empty Trash. That will then permanently delete those files. So if you accidentally delete a file, don't panic. Go to Trash and search for it there. Up at the top right, you will see a question mark, which takes you to get support from Google. And then you have your settings gear and the waffle, which opens up additional apps where you can access Classroom, Docs, Sheets, and any other apps that you want to access. On the far right, you should see a toolbar that allows you to access your calendar, Google Keep Notes, and a task list. If you do not see this toolbar, look down at the very bottom for a small arrow. Click on that arrow to open your taskbar. Click on the arrow to close the taskbar. When you first open your drive, you may see something that looks like this, which gives you information about your most recent activity. You can close that by clicking on the eye. To view files in your drive, you have two different ways of viewing them. You can view them as icons, which is the current view I'm in right now. Click on this icon for a list to see the files in a list format rather than an icon format. Choose the format that best meets your needs. And that is a quick overview of Google Drive. The next video you need to watch will talk about the settings for Drive and how to set those settings so that you can get the maximum productivity and capability out of your drive.